Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you all is one ritual which seek aid from an addictive relationship in your life. So there are different type of addictive or dysfunctional relationships, but they all have one thing in common. They hurt whoever is in them. You must be the one to break away from the never ending cycle of dysfunction, whether it is a cycle of verbal or physical abuse, out of control, jealousy, or something else such as alcoholism or drug addiction. If you are in this type of relationship, you need to ask yourself, do I need this? You have to ask yourself, do you need this kind of relationship? Am I that strong enough to handle this relationship? Do I want to stay in this relationship even though I know there isn't much light in the end of the tunnel? You must be honest with yourself and remember that every dysfunction and addiction comes from a refusal to face a possibly painful past. So, if your partner refuses to seek help, then he or she is preferring to drown in self pity. So, today's spell will help you to get in touch with the inner you as you seek support and direction from the guides. So, what you guys need to do this ritual: one white candle, one glass of fresh water, one white flower. Okay, now what you have to do at a time when you are home alone and no one could possibly disturb you, gently drop the petals of the white flower into the glass of clear fresh water. Place the white candle next to the glass of the water. Now you have to light the candle and watch the candle flame burning. Now you have to think about your guardian angel, whichever one you believe in, that guardian angel is always by your side. So now what you have to chant this for 3 times, and the chant is, I seek the wisdom of those who care for me to help me find the answers to my addictive love. If I should stay or go in the wisdom I seek within you and me, help me find the answers and let me be true to my heart and the ones I love with all my might. I seek peace to move on, or strength if I should not. Let me uncover the answer I seek so as not to be addicted to an unhealthy relationship. Now let the white candle burn completely, and in the end place the glass of water with the white flower petals in the high place. Like above your refrigerator, or the place which is high where no one can touch it. So this is the simple and basic, very simple ritual spell which you can do if you feel that you are in any addictive relationship. Thank you guys, and I will share negativity ritual very soon on this my YouTube channel. Thank you all.